Barely a week after the Judicial Service Commission acknowledged being in receipt of a petition against Chief Justice Martha Koome and other judges of the Supreme Court, ousted Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua now claims that President William Ruto is behind the bid to oust Koome and her team. According to the vocal former second-in-command, the plot is to ensure a bench that is in good books with the government is in place before the next general elections.
We have seen a scheme to remove Justice Martha Koome from office as Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court. There is even a bigger scheme to dismantle the Supreme Court ahead of the 2027 elections. A budget has been set aside through the National Intelligence Service, and all those petitions you are seeing against Justice Martha Koome, against judges of the Supreme Court, is the machinations of the state, because they would like to put a Supreme Court, a bench that is amiable to what those in power want.
Gachagua, while noting that the region will not allow the government to vilify Koome, was quick to raise concerns over the plot to capture the judiciary by the executive.
Sisi tumesimama na Martha Koome, na hii maneno ya kumnyang'anya askari na nini ni kumuzia uoga so that she can resign. I want to ask my sister, Lady Justice Martha Koome, don't be intimidated. Parliament has been captured. The opposition has been neutered. If now they capture the judiciary through the removal of Martha Koome and the Supreme Court judges, this country will slip into a dictatorship.
Just a day after holding a meeting and agreeing to work together with Odinga's running mate Martha Koome, Gachagua alleged a plot to divide the Mount Kenya region, arguing that the region will remain united ahead of 2027.
Serikali ilipoingia tunaona imeanza kututenganisha hapa Mount Kenya. Lakini ikienda kule kwingine nawaambia sasa wafanye nini? Waungane.
You cannot isolate Mount Kenya, because Mount Kenya sisi tunajifanyia kazi, tuko na magavana wetu, na sisi kama maseneta tunapitisha pesa ambayo inafika kwa kila county. You cannot isolate us.
Leaders present also fired salvos at the head of state, accusing his administration of overseeing abductions and silencing of government critics.
Tumeona pia serikali ilisema ya kwamba haitaua watu tena na kuwatupa katika mto Yala. Lakini tumeona sasa watoto wetu wanachukuliwa, wanauliwa kwa kuwa na msimamo tofauti na serikali.
Education imeharibika, tunasema SHA haifanyi, tunasema watoto wetu waache kuwa abducted, na tunasema hii serikali haitaona term 2, itaanguka 2027.
Tumeshuhudia Rais Ruto na serikali yake wakiteka vijana wetu nyara na kuwaua. Na ndiyo sababu tunasema hiyo si siasa, tunaendelea kuhubiri.
Ian Kitane, K24 TV.